I agree. But I think it's going to pull back first before it goes up. Remember, we talked about this impulse move. I mean, how many freaking weeks do we think it's going to be green? Oh, bro. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 freaking weeks of green. No, this is going to pull back. It's in the order block. We broke all these highs. We broke every one. Like this whole trend line liquidity thing, it smoked it out.
Oh, did you see the video when we was talking about the last time it did the 12-week push and it did the pullback?
No, what video?
That was Garrett Soloway. I put it in there. It's right at the level to the left on the first push up right there to the left,
Oh, this one?
all the way to the left of the screen, to the left of the screen. That push up over there in the corner over there.
This one.
Don't leave it how it was. Leave it how it was. Leave it
Oh,
how it was. Bring it in.
like this?
Yeah, see the left corner,
Mm-hmm.
that push up in the left, all the way to the left.
Okay.
Bring that where that push started. Move it, move it.
Where it started? Here?
No, move the
Here.
screen. You can't see the beginning of that move to the upside. Yeah. See that
Okay.
that
Sorry,
that that
Todd.
that.
Sorry, Todd. Just reduce your main watch list, please, so we can see the full screen.
So that's an 11-week push right there.
Yeah.
And then you see the pullback, and then it continued up.
Yeah. Yeah. And it actually made these relative lows. It broke the lows.
Yeah,
We expect for it to come to this area
right.
to sell out. But it's not just going straight to that freaking area.
No,
Like,
it's there now. The distance on the area, and it's an 11-week push, and then
yeah,
it
that's
puts
crazy.
it then it yeah, it's fractal.
Yeah, I guess it is.
Wait, I'm sorry, OG. I'm not
Yeah, that
understanding.
move right there. Yeah, where he just started from. That low to the
Okay.
to the high to the high that it went to.
I just want to see where this pullback would be. One,
Okay.
two, three, four, five, six. Two down. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I don't think it's ever had 11 weeks in a row. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, and you got a red
Okay,
candle.
so it's the total move. So it's the total move then. Yeah.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the total. It's this total push up.
So we're missing a pullback. So yeah, I mean, it makes even more sense that it needs a pullback.
Heck yeah. But if you put the fib on this move that we're getting exhaustion, it needs to pull way back down here,
Yeah.
which would
103.
which would give Marv his move up
Right.
on GU and EU,
Hmm.
and then this sprints to this area before we get that cook off. This it might not hit this area until Decemberish, right? When they start
Yeah.
printing dollars.
Yeah.
I thought it was meant to. I thought it was
Oh,
meant
it's
to
adding
drop.
up.
I thought it was meant to. The dollars would drop when they print the money.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So it might not get up here, or react from here until December or the end of December when they print the money.
Yeah.
All the dollar pairs about to go crazy.
Well, they should go up. That's what I was trying to look at with Marv. Because I'm not gonna lie, I like the GU setup probably the best one.
Yeah, I say GU because it's tapped into the monthly bullish order block, so it should.
And it closed that imbalance right here on the weekly.
Mm.
Ding. And I had this marked up a while back too. I didn't trade this down, even though I thought that it might do it. I mean, that was a huge drop. I mean, look at all this money.
We
You
called
trade,
that entire move.
huh?
We called that.
Yeah, we did, but I didn't. That's $955 if you just had $1 a pip.
I got 20 lots on that.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Trading like the big dogs.
So
It was the
now
quarter of them.
I expect the push up, like the same way we're gonna get the push up and then the fall. You can do this the same way you trade in the rest of those G pairs. Let me see if the 6-month candle looks the same. Probably not. See, this 6-month, we already down there. This 6-month candle. We're gonna get a reverse. Like this is gonna be another bearish order block. We're gonna get a pullback and then a continuation. So all I would do is fib this monthly candle. Great Scott. Dude, get off. Get off. Hey, Marv, you got called out, Marv.
Yeah, I just saw Elfie saying I should be marking it up. I've got it all marked up on my one already.
You have yours already marked up?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
your
at least
voice needs to be
explain it
heard,
and let
sir.
us, right, then at least explain it and walk us through.
Yeah, fair enough, fair enough.
The people calling for Marv.
Oh God.
Let's go, bloke.
Let me see. I need to come on my laptop quickly. I'm on my phone.
Marv, how do you do the Zoom on your phone the whole time?
Nah, because you know what? Because I'm normally out and about, so I just normally do it on my phone.
Okay.
Because I normally mark my chart up for the week, and because I'm at work 24/7 pretty much. Not 24/7, but I do a lot of hours. I just normally go back off my alerts and I mark up my stuff on Friday. Majority of the time, my markup is the same markup that you're gonna put on the charts on Saturday anyway.
Yeah.
Because I trade the same way. Zoom link. Yeah, get rid of it.
Some of these pairs, the same pairs that Alex OG trades with.
Mm-hmm.
And he's on 6 figures in 12 weeks.
Get past the numbers. All you're doing is adding zeros. You look at some of these numbers, they look ridiculous. Like, no, that's not ridiculous. You're gonna see ridiculous. When you do it right, you're gonna see ridiculous.
But his skill set has led him to Pipette with the $8 to was it 250? That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to load this up. Big open big on speed. Come on. Ugh.
Wow, it let me register
Oh, they didn't let that man in.
from Leandra's link. Leandra has the Golden Goose link. She must be getting paid. She's an affiliate.
Oh, she's an affiliate.
I'm telling Kelly OG on you, Leandra.
Well, I'm getting paid, so I'm not as an affiliate, so it's all good.
Well, I'm telling Kelly OG that you get paid as an affiliate.
Well, I'm not.
It doesn't matter. That's a little white lie. Thank you for the link.